Good morning, children. I am Shakti, your English teacher from SRGDS Metric Higher Secondary School. Standard 8, Subject English. Today we are going to see Prose 3, Sir Isaac Newton, the Ingenious Scientist, written by Nathaniel Hawthorne. This lesson is about Sir Isaac Newton. You all know that he is a great scientist. We are going to study about him. About Sir Isaac Newton. Sir Isaac Newton was an English physicist and mathematician. Famous for his laws of physics, was a key figure in the scientific revolution of 17th century. He also developed theories on white light, white particles and calculus. So, he was a great physicist and mathematician. In the scientific revolution, he was a key figure, was a great person in 17th century scientific revolution. He also developed the theories of white light, white particles and calculus. He was born the son of uneducated farmer. His father is uneducated person, not educated. Newton died a true polymath, a celebrated master of astronomy. Astronomy, chemistry, mathematics, physics and theology. So, he was the master of these things: astronomy, chemistry, physics, mathematics and theology. His endless curiosity led him to tackle problems as miracle as repaying tax and as grandize humanity is ultimate purpose in the cosmos theory. Okay, in his cosmos theory. Newton's many inventions and discoveries and harebrained notions provide a glimpse into a legendary mind. His legendary mind, how to invent and discover to the world many things. Okay. Next, it is the picture of Sir Isaac Newton. Sir Isaac Newton was born on 1643 to 1727. He had so many inventions and discoveries. So let's see. The law of motion. So he had invention of motions, second law of motion and third law of motion. Next, the discovery of gravitation. A falling apple supposed to make Newton think about the gravity of the situation, though this may just be a myth. Started to make this discovery of a better story of gravitation. For next, Newton's discoveries in the theoretical physics. About physics, some of the theory he had invented. Next, the famous invention of telescope, reflecting the telescope. Already you know that. Next, discoveries in optics, the light opticals, light particles. Already I told. For the next, let's move to the legend. Prose 3, Sir Isaac Newton, the Ingenious Scientist. Written by Nathaniel Hawthorne. From warm up to identify the great thinkers of the world and write the names from the box. Okay, let's see the box. See, here are some of great thinkers, philosophers of the world. Likewise, Aristotle, Vivekananda, APJ Abdul Kalam, Buddha, Plato, Albert Einstein, Sir C.V. Raman, and Socrates. Okay. So, dear children, you have to take a pencil and note down the name which is in the space, the photo, below the photo of the scientist. Okay. Just you have to note down and get some points about them. Okay. First one is the great philosopher Aristotle, Greek philosopher, and his name is Plato, and this is Socrates. Okay. Let you know that Socrates is the first modern philosopher. Okay. And for the Plato, who's Plato? This is Plato. He is the student of Socrates. Socrates' student is Plato. Okay. And the student of Plato, Plato's student is Aristotle. Okay. Let you know he is Socrates. Student of Socrates is Plato. Student of Plato is Aristotle. Okay. Those three persons are great philosophers. Okay. Not only great philosophers, Athenian, center of learning with his sophists and philosophers of traveling from across Greece to teach rhetoric, astronomy, cosmology and geometry. Okay, those are all politics and psychology, ethics to be teach to the people. Okay, let's see, this is Vivekananda. You know that chief disciple of 19th century, Indian Hindu monk. Okay, and next APJ Abdul Kalam. You know that Indian space scientist. Okay, Indian aerospace scientist, politician, 11th president of India. Okay, from 2002 to 2007. Next is Buddha. Buddha is a philosopher, meditator, spiritual leader and religious leader who lived in ancient India and also the founder of Buddhism. And next, Albert Einstein. Einstein is a physicist, found theory of relativity. Already you know that E equal to mc squared. He found it. Developed atom, power and bomb. And also he found the nuclear energy. And next one is Sir C.V. Raman. You know that Sir C.V. Raman is a Indian physicist and Nobel Award winner. Okay. And next, let's move on to the lesson. Okay. Topic is Sir Isaac Newton, the ingenious scientist. Ingenious, that means ability to invent things, creativity, invention. Okay. Let's see. Read the following passage on Sir Isaac Newton. Dear children, this is a reading context. Just follow line by line when I read. Okay. On Christmas Day in the year 1642, Isaac Newton was born at the small village of Woolthorpe in England. Little did his mother think, when she beheld her newborn babe, that he was destined to explain many matters which had been a mystery ever since the creation of the world. Let's look. It is very clear to that. That is a Christmas Day. On that Christmas Day, you know that is December 25th, 1642. Was born in the village Woolthorpe in England. Okay. His mother didn't know about that. for his childhood when he was baby. So destined, that means destiny. Okay, there is no destined. So here this his biography, the author Nathaniel Houghton exposed that no one could know how they would be to the future. So it's a mystery. They may be the creation of the world. Here it refers as Isaac Newton. Okay. So Isaac Newton is a mystery person. He invented so many things, but no one to know about his childhood. Okay.